Summer rain falls gentle on the leaves,
soft as a whisper through the evening trees.
and the clouds drift open and the sunshine slips through,
painting gold on the world and on me and on you.
We stand in the doorway,
Your arms round my waist,
holding each other
like time has no haste.
The cool breeze moves slow
Through the warm summer air,
and
everything else just dissolves into there. Hold me close in the summer rain, kiss me soft when the moonlight comes again.
feel the cool breeze dancing
On our skin,
while the night wraps around us and pulls us in.
no need for words, no need for more,
Just you and me,
and the love we are.
the rain leaves silver on your quiet face.
I trace it slow with a soft, slow grace.
Then the moonlight finds us,
Pale and kind,
and we kiss like the world has
left us behind.
Your heart beats steady,
Against my own,
two souls that somehow
found their way home.
the breeze keeps moving,
The night stays deep
and we stay right here
while the whole world sleeps. Hold me close in the summer rain, kiss me soft when the moonlight comes again. Feel the cool breeze dancing on our skin,
while the night wraps around us and pulls us in.
no need for words, no need for more,
Just
you and me and the love we are.
when the last drop falls and the stars grow bright,
We still hold on through the quiet of night.
sunshine tomorrow will find us the same,
Still wrapped in each other's,
still whispering names
and the summer will pass.
as summers do.
But this moment